Hello friends, today I want to show you how to fix a Samsung that comes with 0000 in the IMEI. This is called demo. So all the demo Samsung phones, you have to contact us. All these Z Fold, latest model Flip, uh, we can unlock the network, guaranteed 100%, but it is a bit expensive, uh, ranging from $170, $160 and $150, $140 as well. So contact us with your model, then show us the phone. We can check the software information and baseband picture. Then we'll give you feedback on the price that will be appropriate for the phone. So these ones are the ones we have already done and the ones we are about to do. So send us this job and trust us while we do it for you. Anywhere in the world you are, we can do it for you remotely. Uh, we can do it remotely. It is just a 30 minutes process. Thank you for choosing Dynasonic. Have a wonderful day.